Alex was a young person with big dreams. They lived in a small town where most people didn't speak English. Alex always admired those who could speak English easily. It felt like magic to hear them talk. They seemed smart, confident, and important. But for Alex, speaking English was very hard. Whenever they tried, words wouldn't come out right. Sometimes they forgot words, and other times their sentences didn't make sense. This made Alex nervous, and soon they stopped trying. One day, Alex saw a group of people laughing and talking in English at a cafe. Their confidence caught Alex's attention. I wish I could speak like them, Alex thought, but how? That evening, Alex met an old friend, Sam, who had moved to the city. Sam was now speaking English fluently, which amazed Alex. How do you speak English so well? Alex asked. Sam smiled and said, It's easy. Just think in English and speak. Don't translate from your language to English. Speak what comes to your mind. Even if it's wrong. Think in English? Alex asked, confused. But how can I do that? Start with simple things. Sam explained. Talk about what you see or what you're doing. Like, I am eating, or the sky is blue. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just practice every day and you'll get better. Alex was excited but nervous. Can it really work? They wondered. The next morning, Alex decided to try Sam's advice. Standing in front of the mirror, they said, Good morning, I am Alex. Today, I will speak English. It felt strange at first. Alex wasn't used to hearing their own voice in English, but they didn't stop. While making tea, they said, I am boiling water. The tea is hot. I need sugar. By the end of the day, Alex was tired but also proud. They had spoken more English in one day than ever before. Over the next few days, Alex kept practicing. They started talking to themselves in English while doing everyday tasks. When they walked to the market, I need vegetables. The shop is busy. At first, Alex made a lot of mistakes, but they remembered Sam's words. Mistakes are okay. The more you practice, the better you'll get. To learn more, Alex started watching English movies with subtitles. They chose funny movies and repeated simple lines like, How are you? Or, What's going on? Alex also began reading short English stories. The easy words and small sentences made it fun. Slowly, they started to enjoy learning English. One day, Alex's manager asked them to give a short presentation in English. Alex's heart started beating fast. What if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? But then Alex thought about Sam's advice. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone learns by trying. Alex spent the whole evening preparing. They wrote down what they wanted to say, practiced in front of a mirror, and even recorded their voice. On the day of the presentation, Alex was nervous but determined. They spoke slowly and carefully. There were a few mistakes, but Alex didn't stop. When they finished, everyone clapped. Alex felt so happy and proud. For the first time, they realized that confidence was more important than being perfect. After that day, Alex became more confident. They started speaking English more often, even with strangers. At the park, they thought, the weather is nice. At the shop, they asked, "How much is this?" Alex also joined an online group where people practiced speaking English. Everyone made mistakes, but no one judged. It was a safe place to learn and grow. One evening, Alex volunteered to host a small event in their town. Standing on stage and speaking in English was something Alex had never imagined, but they took a deep breath and started speaking. The words weren't perfect, but Alex kept going. By the end of the event, people clapped and even praised Alex for their effort. "How did you learn to speak English so well?" someone asked. Alex smiled and said, "It's simple. Just think in English and speak. Don't worry about mistakes. Just start and you'll get better every day." Over time, Alex's life changed. They got a new job, made new friends, and even traveled to another country, all because they could speak English. The secret was simple. 1. Think in English. 2. Speak without fear. 3. Practice every day. Alex's story proves that speaking English isn't hard. You don't need to know big words or perfect grammar. You just need to start. So look around you. Think in English. Say what's on your mind. Remember, mistakes are part of learning. The more you practice, the easier it will get. Speaking English is easy. You just have to think and speak. Try it. You'll be amazed at how quickly you improve.